A woman has taken to social media to share one of the most heartbreaking experiences she went through while in a relationship. She revealed that the man she was dating would insult every opportunity he got, and what made it even worse is that he didn't like it when other people complimented her, especially about her beautiful skin.
I promise you, I loved this guy's sense of humor. He was funny. He made everyone laugh. But I realized that I was always the only one who's not laughing, because these jokes were actually meant for me. Like these jokes were made about me, basically. Sana lo mfana uthi mhlambi sichilile nechomi zakhe mhlambi nami ndikhona kuzohlekwa ke enze izinto zakhe zokutuja kuhlekwe kube mnandi enze jokes nangam mhlambi if ndiyanconywa ikhona ngenye igame khona ngenye igame guys ndinconywa yi sister yakhe ukuba your skin is so beautiful, what do you use i-products ozisebenzisayo because your skin is nice, uyayibona. Hayi ke ndibese ndimxelela hayi ke ndisebenzisa i-Hypoderm ungayithenga eClicks bla 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 yonke laa nto. Sana laa mfana athi into yokubana wayisuka kamhlanga lo wambona xa ivuka ekuseni ufike njengathutsha khona laa game wathi into yokubana ingathi ndilisele litshayiswe yimoto. Guys, utsho indoda endithi yeyam ezitshomini zayo ndinconywa ukuba neskin esihle wathi into yokubana no ungambona xa ivuka ekuseni ingathi lisele litshayiswe yimoto. Kwahlekwa ha. And then every time ke ndim-confronta, there's this thing he said to me eyahlala, because nale yokuba ingathi ndilisele litshayiswe yandihlala guys ndavuba guys ukubona isele emergency litshayiswe yimoto lifika amehlo laba amehlo walo makhulu ethe putyu. Hayi guys laa mfana wandithuka, yazi wandithuka lo mfana. And then xa ndimbuza about it andigaslight anxelela uba I'm too emotional, I'm too sensitive, akudlalwa ngawe na wena utheni umntana umlungu umntana like anento nje comments nje ezibheke ecaleni ezingenangqondo. Ndiqonda uba hayi guys lo but no yazi intoni mandiyeke ukuba hate ngezinto ethethwa ngulo mfana, because clearly nguye umuntu ongenangqondo apha sana.
According to the woman, whenever someone said something nice about her appearance, her boyfriend would immediately find something negative to say. Instead of celebrating her or supporting her, he would make comments that brought her down. She said this behavior started to affect her emotionally because it felt like no matter what she did, he always had something hurtful to say. When she finally confronted him about it, hoping he would understand how his words made her feel, he turned the situation around and told her that she was just being too sensitive. Over time, she says she tried to ignore the insults and convinced herself not to be bothered by his comments, even though deep down it still hurt. Situations like this are a clear reminder of how damaging emotional negativity in relationships can be. A partner should uplift you, celebrate your confidence, and protect your self-esteem, not constantly break it down. When someone keeps dismissing your feelings and labels you as too sensitive, it can sometimes be a way of avoiding accountability. Everyone deserves to feel respected, valued, and safe in their relationship. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.